Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have an experiment recipe, so I will try to make muffins in a microwave. So it's pretty much like any mug recipe we've done so far, and we've done a lot of those. But this time I was actually thinking of using muffin cups. So I'll use the paper ones, but I did double them so that they're a bit more firm. And yeah, apart from that, I have these ingredients that we're gonna use. So I have here 5 tablespoons of flour, then I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, some chocolate bits, not too much of course, and some baking powder, and an egg and a pinch of salt. So I'll post the recipe below in the description box as well, and let's get going. Now they go in the cups. Some more chocolate and then off to the microwave for 90 seconds. So here we are, so let's see. Well, yeah, they are a bit flat. I think I should have taken a firmer paper, a firmer cup. So let's try to get them out here and cut them. It looks pretty good. We'll cut it, but I need to wash my hands first. It looks pretty good, so let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, cool. I like the taste. The chocolate is still pretty warm, but I actually like that. So yeah, the recipe is definitely a success. It may not look as upright and nice as the oven-baked ones, but it does taste just like any other muffin. And maybe we can find some other papers that are a bit firmer or thicker, so that we actually have the form of a muffin as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it. If you liked it and would like to see more, feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll never miss anything new that we post, and you can also see our older videos. Apart from that, I just wanted to thank you for watching DIY Ideas, and I hope to see you again in the future in one of our next videos. So until then, I wish you a great day and see you soon. Bye!